We're finally here sa Osaka station, sa train station. Kakadating lang namin from Nara. So look. So guys, it's 12 midnight na. I'm walking alone, going for a convenience store to buy some food and look for an adapter for this camera kasi bukas wala na tong battery. So currently I'm just wearing a t-shirt and shorts. I'm gonna try to beat the weather, which is like 10 degrees. So let's see if I can. So I've been walking for 5 minutes already. Wala pa rin ako makita ng convenience store. And it's really, really cold right now. I'm freezing. Whew. So I actually found my first 7-Eleven store here. I'm gonna check out if may dito, adapter. I didn't get to find an adapter. So guys, I can't really vlog tomorrow for tomorrow's day. First day in Osaka, still can't vlog since I don't have a charger for the camera. So tomorrow I'll really find for an adapter. I've been borrowing sa mga hostel and hotels for the adapter. So I'm quite sad lang na hindi ako nakahanap. Sorry guys. And never do this. Never walk outside ng naka-shorts and t-shirt lang. It's kinda hard. So I just bought some snacks for tonight and breakfast for tomorrow. Kasi mahirap na pag nagutom ako eh. Mahirap na, di ba? Bawal ako magutom. Pag nagutom ako, parang na ako makakalabas ng ganito. Pag may nakatingin sa akin dito, siguro mukha akong taka. Pero anyways, at least I had fun. So, pauwi na ako sa room. See you guys in a bit.
Bye-bye, mamaya!
Bye-bye!
See you!
Bukasan ng regalo ha, sama nyo kami.
Okay.
Pagbukasan daw ng gift, tita.
Okay, ala-live ko.
So we're celebrating our Christmas here sa room lang through video call sa Facebook. It's currently 12 midnight na sa Japan, but it's 11 sa Philippines, so we're still waiting. We're still waiting for the 12 midnight mark.
It's another gadget. Pangmajong yan.
Bakit si Cindy lang?
Red horse.
Ano yan?
Forever spring. Oh. Forever spring. Oh. Si RV ako yung record ko.
Kasama na kayo sa vlog. I didn't get to video today's trip to Okada. Didn't get to video today's walk trip sa Osaka because I didn't find a charger adapter. Pero now I found one na. Look.
Dude.
Ah. Good morning, guys. So we're actually on the way to pick up my cousin sa Osaka terminal, yung train terminal nila dito. Galing kasi siya ng Kansai Airport, then he just needs to take a train going here. See ya. Just waiting for my cousin dito sa taas sa Sky Bridge. Mga expected mga 12:30 siguro is gonna be here. So let's just wait for him.
Kailangan natin pumunta sa North-South Bridge, 3rd floor, and Bridge Gate. 7-Eleven.
We've been waiting for almost 2 hours. Actually, lagpas 2 hours na for my cousin. Pero wala pa rin siya. Sabi sa inyo, dapat sinundo na lang natin sa station. Pero ayun, nakapag-reply na siya na andito na siya sa Osaka station. So, I guess that's good.
Dapat nag-vlog yan, lalakad na rin. May baby. Hindi na rin tawag.
Yo! Yo! Oh, yeah, I found my cousin. My cousin's here.
We're in Osaka.
Osaka, here we go. So we're eating again in Ichiran, but with my cousin. It's also his first time in Japan, so actually I don't know where it is. I'm going to look concerned. So we are done eating Ichiran ramen. One of the few things to do here in Japan is to eat the famous Ichiran ramen. We're done. Now we're just gonna search the place up.
Korean garlic segment.
So me and my cousin are going to Dotonbori. We're gonna take a bus and see what's there. You know, first timers in Japan.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa! So we're gonna walk, then take a bus going there. Midos Suji Lane. But first I need to change some money. So on the way to Dotonbori, so the easiest way to actually go to Dotonbori is using Google Maps. From Umeda, it actually takes 20 minutes to go there, walking and going to the bus station. So see you there in a bit. Akala ko magbabas kami, train pala nakalagay dun sa Google Maps. Hirap na hirap pa yung kinausap ko sa akin. Nag-stop siya eh. Excuse me. Do you know Mido Suji line?
ロースジラインは M。
Ah, okay, okay. Does it go to Dotonbori?
道頓堀は
Namba Station?
道頓堀のナンバーステーション。ミドスジライン。
Yeah, Mido Suji line? Ah, okay. Thank you.
OK OK。
Transfer ticket. Oh, wait, never mind. Go back. How do you go back?
What?
The station, we're going to Namba. Oh, wait, back.
You're not.
I think you have to put money first. Yeah. Wow.
Nice. Okay.
Yay. So it's actually not bad to use the subway here in Japan. People are actually very helpful if you ask them. So, very helpful. Even if they don't know, they actually still help you. So I guess Dotonbori is mostly for shoppers, since it's like a shopping galore for those who like to shop around for cheap stuff also. So my opinion about Dotonbori is go here only if you have lots of cash, because the only thing you'll do without money is just walk around, get jealous. So yun nga, if you have lots of cash, you can go around, shop till you drop. See, look at them. I don't have anything. Just my bag.
Not bother to buy. Cause I don't want to line up. Stuff from the ad. The long thing. Long
108 though. I mean, it's not bad. Thank you. So lighting. So right now we're just looking for spots kung saan kami pwedeng kumuha ng picture. Yung maganda, yung madaming lights, yung neon lights. So we just finished eating. I forgot to vlog because the food was good and all. That's why. I was just eating everything really fast. And usually when I eat, I actually buy a beer just to try the local beers in the restaurant. Good morning, guys. It's currently... Oh, it's not good morning. Good afternoon. So we're currently waiting for my parents.
Oh, dude, my are so freaking itchy. Oh, you're recording.
Hey, man. Go.
Hi, troopers.
Ulit nga, wag yun.
I wanna say troopers. Hi, troopers! We're going to Osaka Castle and Hiseshi Old Town. Irashaimase! Arigatou gozaimasu! Moshi moshi! Oishi!
Fun fact, guys. Fun fact. The meaning of oishi is actually delicious. So here I am walking. I'm gonna talk to a local Japanese Filipino person.
Take two.
Mr.
Wakaranai desu.
Yes?
Yes?
What's the English translation of I love you?
Arab you.
Arab you.
English translation, sabi mo.
Oh,
Japanese.
Japanese. So, Mr. Dimario, what's the Japanese translation of I love you?
Kantahin mo na lang. Watashi wa anato aishima.
Ano yan? Sa Japan ko palang nakikita na ginagamit talaga dito yung stop, look, and listen. Alam mo yung kahit kakadaan pa lang ng train, yung first car dun sa harap, talagang nag-look pa rin, nag-stop, look, listen pa rin. Ay, nako.
Made in Japan, you know.
What was that? I wish Philippines is like this. So we are here inside the Osaka Castle. We walked for about 15 minutes going inside. Medyo nakakapagod lang kasi puro na kami lakad, pero okay lang, malamig naman eh. I can't really vlog much. It's kinda drizzling right now, so whatever I show, yun lang na videohan kasi nga it's about to rain. So yeah, sorry about that. So I guess we're done. So I guess we're done going to the castle, the Osaka Castle. Right now we're just looking for a place to eat. Saan tayo kain ate?
Coco.
Saan?
Coco curry.
Huh?
Coco curry.
So we're gonna eat in Coco Curry for lunch. Then we go to, I don't know, probably go back and shop around because yung pupuntahan dapat namin na Old Town is 2 hours away and it's until 5 p.m. lang. Curry. So we just finished eating in Coco's curry.
One of the vlogs is you eating different stuff in Japan. Because you like to eat anywhere. So try out like Japanese.
I'll get fat.
Like Japanese snacks. Yeah, but
So we are on the way back to the room since my cousin's actually tired. Kasi kakadating niya pa lang. Like we walked so much yesterday just to take pictures. And pero sila dad, they're going somewhere pa. They're going Dotonbori again tonight to buy shoes ata. Didn't get to buy kasi it's expensive. So I'll look for a better place to buy it naman. So good morning guys. We are actually on the way to Kobe. We're checking out sa place na pinagstayan namin sa Osaka. So see you guys in a bit.